Hey everybody, happy Monday. I'm coming at you from the barn this morning, just doing some chores. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's Monday meat day, something I'm trying to start here, and we're going to get to that later in the video, but we just finished up. Actually, I still have a chicken I got to cook today. That chicken I took out, I got to cook that. I got to cook that today. But stay tuned. We're just going to do some chores real quick. Okay. Water's a little yellow for the chicks because we add electrolytes to it, especially at this size. It's super tiny, very fragile. Gucci, Gucci, goo. Okay. No food left in there. All right, now I gotta check my fire. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Let's put some pieces on. Look at this ugly chunk. Ugly chunk. See you later. Just brought in some wood yesterday. Pretty good selections here. Got my gloves on top here. It's not too hot just yet, but it's getting there. It's been pretty comfy in here with the stove going. Cozy 65-70 in here. Everyone seems pretty happy with it. I'm gonna try. Nope. Not in this go around. It's not a big stove, it's pretty tiny, but it does the trick, you know. We're not trying to heat our house. We're just trying to take the chill out of our barn. Pretty good job. I haven't let the hens out in a couple of days because of this cold. And I know that they are antsy, to say the least. Let's check their food. Okay. Let's fill that up, shall we? Here we go, girls. Got some fresh food coming out. It's enough for a few days anyway. 9 eggs in there. Okay. Look good, ladies. All right, hens are good, baby chicks are good, fire's good, So now, let's go take some meat out of the freezer for the week. I cooked that pork roast the other day. Delicious. We'll see what we got. Okay. It's cold. Well, the gloves are nice and toasty. Where is like 5 right now? Degrees. Okay. I've got my stainless steel pan here. Let's see what we got for eats this week. Definitely having some bratwurst. Also need some beef. Non-starter. Rack of ribs? Just not my favorite. I think what we'll do... Ooh. Country style ribs. Haven't had those in a while. That's a 2-pack if you ask me. Okay. Weekly dose of pork chops, anybody? Yeah. This is what I'm after. A stash of chicken breasts. Gotta have it. Gotta hide it. Gotta put it aside, because if I don't, they're just gonna disappear. And it's one of our favorite cuts. Okay, to top off this week's meat, boneless chicken breast, pork chops, country style ribs, local ground beef. One of my favorites. These brats. Man, our pigs look good, don't they? Simply growing food.